You'll never hit $10,000 a month until you fully understand this. Meet Joey. He graduated top of his class, straight A's, full of ambition. He thought the world was his, but reality hit hard. His salary? $5,473 per month. And on top of that, constant stress over student loans, rent, and the fear of AI taking his job. That's based on a real survey of over 70,000 college graduates. So if Joey worked hard and still didn't reach $10,000 a month, does that mean it's impossible? Absolutely not. Meet Kai. He got kicked out of school, no university, no clear path like Joey. But instead of giving up, he started thinking differently. Today, he makes over $15,000 per month. No debt, complete freedom, traveling whenever he wants. And instead of fearing AI, he uses it to increase his earning. Joey represents the path most people are told to follow. Kai is proof that you can earn far more than those with better qualifications. So what separates Kai from Joey? While Joey focused on grades and a traditional career path, Kai noticed where the world was heading. He became what's called a digital architect. This is one of the fastest ways to make money online today. Now, I'm not saying school is useless. It's important for many jobs. But if your goal is $10,000 a month and real freedom, you need a different strategy. Everyone talks about improving weaknesses, but the real secret is talent maxing. Schools train us to fix weaknesses, not leverage natural strengths. Did you know 98% of 5-year-olds have genius-level creativity? By adulthood, only 2% retain it. It's not lack of talent. It's what's trained out of us. Your natural talent is on the talent tree. Everyone fits into one of 4 main types. Write down which one describes you most. Type 1, organizer. You structure chaos, plan systems, and keep things running smoothly. Type 2, analyst. You break down problems, spot patterns, and find what works. Type 3, communicator. You explain clearly, influence people, and get them to act. Type 4, creative. You see things differently, connect dots, and innovate. Only work where you have a clear advantage. I'll explain more in a free virtual event I'm hosting soon. You'll learn exactly how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month without startup capital. The fastest way to reach $10,000 online? Sell a digital service. But you need to follow 3 golden rules. Make a business more money. Save a business time. Save a business money. This is service maxing. Finding services that follow these rules and match your talents. Most people get stuck here. They don't know what to do. So I've put together the top 5 digital services you can offer today. These can all earn $10,000 plus per month. First, brand identity. Design logos, colors, fonts, and style that make businesses instantly recognizable. It increases a business's perceived value, allowing them to charge more. Perfect for creatives and organizers. Next, AI automation. Saving businesses time and money hits 2 golden rules at once. Build systems that automate repetitive tasks. Third, deal make. Best suited for analysts and organizers. Communicators thrive here. Connect businesses with sponsorships, brand deals, and partnerships. And organizers help manage relationships. Video editing. Edit content that grows audiences and revenue. Fourth, perfect for creatives with an eye for storytelling and analysts who study results. Fifth, funnel creation. Turn visitors into paying customers through landing pages, emails, and upsells. Organizers and analysts excel here. Think of these not as side hustles, but as vehicles to $10,000 per month. Your chosen service should follow the 3 rules and align with your natural strengths. Pick one and stick with it. Next, you'll learn how to define, sell, deliver, fix, and systemize your service. Step 1. Define your service in its simplest form. Step 2. Even if you feel unready, start selling. Step 3. Deliver and get real experience with paying clients. Step 4. Fix bottlenecks. AI can help speed up repetitive tasks. Step 5. Systemize your service for reliability and repeat business. This forms the skill maxing loop. Learn, earn, repeat, improve. Every cycle increases your skill, value, and income. Next, sell value, not just the service. Position maxing. Instead of, I build logos, say, I increase perceived value so businesses earn more. Instead of, I make chatbots, say, I save time and reduce costs through AI. Instead of, I build landing pages, say, I turn visitors into paying customers. Positioning is what lets you charge thousands, not hundreds. Finally, brand maxing. Your personal brand makes you more valuable than competitors. Clean up your social profile. Show who you are, what you do, and why you're the best. Combine this with effective outreach to break past $10,000 a month. If you want the 5 levels to wealth, watch that video after subscribe. Remember, it's all about working smart, leveraging your natural strengths, and maximizing your value. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Casual Finance Tips.